This tour is brought to you by Peggi Horn. Thank you for viewing. What a fantastic find on Lake Seminole. This property consists 3 lots on the lakeside, Spring Creek, which is 0.78 acres. There is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with an open floor plan with a brick fireplace. Nice laundry room, screened-in porch, 2-car carport, AA covered and screened grilling deck. Chain-link fenced front yard. On the lot beside the home is a hookup for an RV and a metal storage unit and a separate septic tank. There is a boat dock and boathouse located in the back of the property on Spring Creek. The corporation land is permitted for mowing all the way to the water, as well as a permit to keep the shoreline clean. Call today for your showing.